Welcome to Dwamco channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic, how to reduce anger instantly. Anger is a powerful emotion that can impact our lives and relationships if not managed properly. Stick around as we share 10 effective steps to help you regain control and find peace in moments of anger. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now, let's get into it and discover how you can manage your anger more effectively. Anger is a natural emotion that everyone experiences from time to time. It can arise from frustration, annoyance, or feeling threatened. While anger itself isn't necessarily bad, how we handle it can significantly impact our well-being and relationships. Here are 10 practical steps to reduce anger instantly and regain control. 1. Pause and breathe. When anger strikes, take a moment to pause. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple breathing exercise can help calm your mind and body, reducing the intensity of your anger. 2. Count to 10. It might sound cliché, but counting to 10 can be remarkably effective. This technique allows you to create a buffer between your impulse to react and your actual response. By the time you reach 10, your initial surge of anger may have subsided, and you'll be better able to think clearly. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. When you feel anger rising, try to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. Acknowledge your anger, but don't let it control you. Practicing mindfulness regularly can help you manage anger more effectively over time. 4. Use positive self-talk. Negative thoughts can fuel anger, while positive self-talk can help diffuse it. Instead of thinking, "This is so unfair," try telling yourself, "I can handle this calmly." Reframe your thoughts in a way that promotes a more constructive response. 5. Engage in physical activity. Physical activity is a powerful way to release built-up tension and stress. Go for a walk, run, or engage in any exercise you enjoy. The movement will help reduce your anger and clear your mind, making it easier to deal with the situation rationally. 6. Find a distraction. Sometimes, the best way to cool down is to focus on something else. Listen to music, read a book, or engage in a hobby you enjoy. Distracting yourself from the source of your anger can give you the space you need to regain your composure. 7. Express your feelings constructively. Bottling up anger can lead to an eventual explosion. Instead, find a healthy way to express your feelings. Talk to a trusted friend or write in a journal. Expressing your emotions constructively can help you process them and reduce their intensity. 8. Use humor. Humor can be a great way to lighten the mood and diffuse anger. Find something funny about the situation, or watch a comedy show or video. Laughter releases endorphins, which can help improve your mood and reduce anger. 9. Identify triggers. Understanding what triggers your anger can help you avoid or manage these situations better. Keep a journal of when you feel angry and what circumstances lead to it. Identifying patterns can help you develop strategies to cope with or avoid these triggers in the future. 10. Seek professional help. If you find that anger is a persistent problem that affects your daily life and relationships, it may be helpful to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can work with you to develop effective anger management strategies and address any underlying issues. Conclusion. Anger is a powerful emotion, but it doesn't have to control your life. By implementing these 10 steps, you can learn to reduce anger instantly and respond to challenging situations with greater calm and clarity. Remember, managing anger is a skill that takes practice, so be patient with yourself as you develop these new habits.